Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead the Delicious Last Course. Start by accessing the new content through the main game map. You'll find a new character, MS, Chalice, who offers unique abilities like a double jump and a dodge roll. Master the fundamental controls: jump with one button, shoot with another, and dash to avoid attacks. Remember to parry pink objects. This fills your super meter and allows for powerful EX moves, crucial for overcoming challenging bosses. MS, Chalice is a game changer, offering a double jump for better aerial control and a dodge roll for quick evasion. Experiment with different charms to find what suits you best. For instance, the Heart Ring charm is excellent for survivability, restoring 1 health point after 3 successful parries. Another great option is the Whetstone charm, which allows your parry to deal damage. When facing the new bosses, patience is key. Take time to observe their attack patterns. Each boss has distinct tells before an attack. Deploy your super arts and EX moves at opportune moments, especially when the boss is vulnerable. Remember, staying alive is paramount. Prioritize dodging incoming projectiles and attacks, then look for openings to deal damage. Practice makes perfect for these challenging encounters. To progress effectively, visit Porkrin's Emporium regularly. Here, you can purchase powerful new weapons and helpful charms that significantly boost your abilities. Collect coins by defeating bosses and exploring the overworld map. Investing in upgrades is crucial for tackling the game's increasing difficulty and unlocking all the achievements. Remember to experiment with different loadouts to find your perfect strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.